Hello everyone and welcome to my channel where I'm going to bring you another low carb recipe that you can use whether you are following a low carb diet or not. Thank you guys so very much for being here. Before we get into today's deliciousness, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below, and also remember to hit that notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload new content. So today's recipe, you guys, is a Oreo cookie flavored chocolate parfait. Absolutely spectacular, easy, delicious, high protein, low carb, everything that you need it to be, you guys. And in front of me are all the ingredients that you will need to put it all together. So get your ingredients coming close and let's make these Oreo cookie flavored chocolate parfaits together. Coming up next. Now we are going to start by putting together our Oreo cookie flavored crumble. And in order to make it an Oreo cookie flavor, we are going to use some of this black cocoa powder, which I purchased from Amazon. So we're going to add to our almond flour, this black cocoa powder, some sweetener. Let's go ahead and give this a mix. Look at this, you guys. Instantly, we have got ourselves a Oreo cookie that has been crumbled up. Next, some vanilla extract and some melted butter. Now mix. Okay, our cookie crumble is ready. So let's set this aside. I'm going to move all of this out of the way and bring front and center the filling, which is made with cottage cheese. Okay, this cottage cheese has already been blended until it's smooth and creamy. I used a Nutribullet to do this, and if you're interested in purchasing one, I will leave it in the description. So to this, we are going to add some cocoa powder. Now, you already know cocoa powder has a tendency to clump up, so I want this filling to be nice and smooth. So I'm just going to go ahead and sift this. See little balls? Yeah. Go ahead and take my little spatula and press it through the strainer. Everything is now nice and smooth. Okay. So to this, we are going to add some protein powder. And if you have chocolate, you guys, you can use that as well. I didn't have any. That's why I am using some cocoa powder. And next, our powder sweetener. Make sure you use powder sweetener and not granulated because you want your filling to be smooth and creamy. All right. Now mix until everything is well incorporated. Okay. Now this is ready. It looks like a chocolate pudding. Okay, you guys, so the next thing that we're gonna do is bring over our mini containers, and we're gonna first fill them with some of this cookie crumble and then followed by the filling. Okay, and these are my mini dessert cups. Go ahead and put some of this crumble at the bottom. Okay, followed by the filling. To approximately the halfway point, because we're going to add a little bit more of this crumble. Now some more crumble. Okay, guys, and whatever is left, just continue to fill up your containers until it's gone. Okay. And next, we are going to fill these to the top with the rest of our filling. Take a look at this. So we've got this chocolate filling along with this Oreo cookie flavored crumble throughout. So at this point, we are going to bring these over to the fridge. They're going to set for about maybe 2 hours or so. And when we come back, you guys, we're going to put the finishing touches on this and give these a taste. Okay, you guys, it has been a few hours where this has set in the fridge. So now it's time to put our own kind of special on it, whether or not it be some more of these Oreo cookie crumbs. You can make some more of that if you want. You can put a couple pieces of chocolate on top. You can shave some dark chocolate. Like so. That looks wonderful. Or you can put some fresh fruit on it, you guys. Whatever it is that you do, you continue to make it your own kind of special. So let's go ahead and give this a taste. You know, when you have something good that you just want to share, well, you guys, this is exactly what I have here in this low carb Oreo cookie flavored chocolate parfait. Lord, I thank you. This tastes just like a Oreo cookie chocolate cheesecake. That's how delicious this is, you guys. Oh my gosh. Another one of these recipes that just works. No matter whether or not you're following a low carb diet or not, give it a try. And when you do, please do leave it in the comments how you feel about it. Remember to give the video a like and share, and also please do subscribe to my channel by pressing that subscribe button below, and remember to turn on that notification bell. You guys, thank you so very much for being here. Remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you all real soon on my next Fit Fab 50 and enjoy.